Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know it's been about a week and a half since I last uploaded a video, so I do want to apologize about that. It's just that last week, obviously you guys know it was a holiday and I wanted to relax, and also because I was suffering from neck pain for about a week, and so I wasn't able to move my neck, or I wasn't able to turn my head to the right or look down or up without actually feeling some kind of sharp pain. So I went a few days by taking Advil, and that was actually helping a little bit, but it was still there. The pain was still there. You know, my neck was stiff. I have no idea what happened, but we're good now. So yeah, so I just want to give you guys a quick update on what I have planned in mind. So first of all, I have been thinking about starting a brand, and I'm not sure exactly how I want to go about it first, but I think I have a plan. But you know, once I actually come up with everything, all the details, then I'll actually update you guys in a different video. But I have a few designs in mind already. This is something that I've been thinking about for the past 2 to 3 months. It's just that I'm really picky when it comes to certain things. So I want to put something out there that hopefully you guys would appreciate and kind of has some sort of meaning behind it. So half of those designs are gonna be with a certain meaning, and some of them are just some cool looking designs that I feel like would be, you know, it'd be nice to have. So but anyway, that was just a little update on that. Next thing is I finally decided on a car that I wanted to wrap I finally decided on a color that I want for the F30. There we go. So this is a color that I've been considering for the longest. Honestly, I thought about wrapping my E90 that color. I thought about wrapping my F30 that color, and I had a whole bunch of samples, and somehow I don't even know what happened to the samples. I ended up moving. I ended up, I think, throwing them away. So I finally decided on the color. It's not the same one that I had been considering. It's just the similar shade, I guess you can say that. And I'm glad that I waited this long, because actually they came out with this new color maybe a month ago. They released it during SEMA, and to me it was worth it. Once I saw that it came out, once it was released, I ordered the sample. It took like 2 weeks for me to get it, so I just got it a couple days ago, and I have to say that it's probably 95% chance that that's the color I'm going with the car. Oh, and also I do have some carbon fiber parts that I'm going to be installing. A company was nice enough to send those out to me, but I'm not really going to show you guys right now. I do have them with me, but I'm just going to wait for the actual video of it. I'm going to be showing you guys the installation, which is really simple, and also the fitment and everything and the quality. So that's something to kind of look for in the future video. Birthday's coming up in about a week, so I do have something planned, and just a cool little snippet. I'm not exactly sure how exactly, but I have an idea. So I'll put that video. It'll be next birthday's on the 12th, so I'll probably release the video that day. Yeah, as far as updates, that's all I can think of off the top of my head. Also, for the rest of the video, you guys are going to see footage from a Euro meet that I went to, and like I mentioned in that other video, I had a feeling that it was going to be a lot of Volkswagens and Audis, and that was the case. And I mean, it was a cool show. I was only there for about 2.5 hours. I didn't really get that much footage, because once I got there and once I got registered and everything, we decided to go get food. It took forever to get food, so we went to go eat and then watched a few races, and then next thing you know, they were doing the giveaways. So after the giveaways, I stayed about 30 minutes after that. So I really didn't get that much footage. So if you guys are interested in watching that, continue watching the video. So I'll go ahead and end the video here. And like I always say, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're on our way to a car show. It's actually a Euro show, but unfortunately I do have a feeling that it's going to be mostly Volkswagens and Audis, which it's okay. I don't mind looking at those cars. It's something different to look at. And yeah, so the fun part is that it's actually at a drag strip, so I'll be able to see a few races. And the thing that sucks is that I was wanting to go to get a few races in myself, but I wasn't actually able to get tires in on time. So that's gonna have to be for a different day, different video. But yeah, guys, we're a little bit late, so I'll just see you guys whenever I get there. Yeah.
Oh, the SUV one.
It's pretty quick, 13.9, supercharged. One. Spin City.
He didn't know how to shoot.
Get by this. Speed walk.
Can I get everybody's attention if you come on over to the table? I have one of these special giveaways, and I'm going to go ahead and
Twist your
award
ankle.
too while we're here. So if y'all want to come on over here before we start the next round and take cars. All right, next up from them is $100 off 7092. Anybody? 7092. BMW Best of Show goes to Eldridge Cortez with his 2014 335. All right, we still have some racing going on. It's going to be starting back again. Once again, thank you all for coming out today. Make sure you check out our vendors, especially if you want something.